This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Leanne Amory Wallace. This charming ranch sits on over a half-acre lot in Churchland, close to schools, interstate, shopping, YMCA, Coast Guard, Naval Hospital, and Shipyards. New roof. Windows were replaced and home has great natural lighting. Screened spacious back porch. Attached garage with opener. Washer/dryer convey with home. Beautiful hardwood floors have been restored and wood-burning stove works great and was inspected. New hot water heater. Air conditioner 5 years old. One bedroom can function as a home office with built-ins if desired, or removed for a more spacious bedroom. Open floor plan great room/dining with adjoining kitchen. Kitchen has a window over the sink and gives a country chic feel. Beautiful wood accents through home. Desirable location. Spacious lot has plenty of room for gardening. Welcome home. Room to add additional driveway and